everyone, nice to see you all here today. Today's adventure is going to take us across the Sumenep Bridge to the island of Madura. We're going to drive along the southern road and we're going to make it all our way to Sumenep, the capital city. From there we'll go to the Kalianget harbor and we're going to catch a tiny little boat that's going to take us on a 2 to 3 hour journey to the little island of Gili Labak. It's going to be a great adventure, so put on your helmets and tag along and let's ride on.
Was I just dreaming? Oh Lord have mercy on me. The sound of leaving, I tried and tried every day. How could I please her? Oh Lord have mercy on me. Have mercy on my soul. I felt the bed next to me and she was gone. There's nothing left in my life, she never told me. Without a word or a sign, my heart was thrown. My heart was beat to a pulp, the pain is creeping now. What am I supposed to do? I'm feeling so down. She never told me how, and I'm losing my mind. Oh, I've been mistreated, my heart been cheated. My life was taken apart. Don't you know, baby, we can make it alright. But you won't let me.
Finally, after crossing the Sumenep Bridge, that's the used to be the longest bridge in Indonesia. It was built a couple of years back. Before that, we had to take a ferry to come across. Now it's much faster, much easier, and now we'll be on our way to Sumenep, which is the capital city of Madura. It's about 150 kilometers away. We should take about 3 to 4 hours to get there. Let's hope that the weather will stick around because it's getting a bit gray right now. I'm not sure if I'm going to make it dry, so strap on your helmet and let's ride on. Within the course of about 5 minutes, we went from blue skies and white fluffy clouds to this rain. I guess I'll have to stop here and take a bit of a break and wait to see if this is going to pass. Been a nice ride otherwise. I managed to avoid the rain for most of it, and I'm sure this is going to pass, as it often does in this part of the world. Well, in the end, I made it to Sumenep quite dry. It wasn't so bad after all. I met my friends. We had a bowl of bakso, which is some meatball soup. We went to the harbor, got on a boat, and now we're on our way to the island of Gili Labak. Well, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, like, and comment, and share. And I hope you'll stick around so that we can explore Gili Labak together in our next episode. Until then, like they say around here, sampai jumpa lagi.